Welcome back, guys. So right now I want to upload another video, which is the second video we made, the musical video. So all I have to do is click on here to create for my channel, and make sure it's the account you are using to log in, your YouTube channel account. So I'm just going to click on upload, and yes, now I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to try to select the file I want to upload, which is a project that we worked on in this course. So I'll come to my desktop and I'll come to my Billard Creative Studio. Yes, Billard Creative Studio, and here is the song. Is a musical video, but it is made with AI. So I'm going to just open this, and we're going to have that uploaded. So having that uploaded, and this is where the song comes in. We're going to name it the cat song. Yes, we're going to name it the cat song Whisper a Room. I'm just going to name it the cat song. Yes, cat song Whisper of Home. I'm just going to name it the cat song Whisper of Home. I'll just name it official music video. Yes, I'm going to input that as well. I'll say official music video. So let's see how videos are named. Let's see how videos are named on YouTube. Yes, so see a musical video. Yeah, so I'll just name it the cat song, and it should be dash Whisper of Home official music video. So I'm going to just copy this, and I'm going to come to my generative AI. I'm going to come back to my generative AI to prompt that. I'll say I want to create a YouTube video named help me optimize the video detail for this video on YouTube. So let's prompt this as well. Let's prompt this and see what we have. Having to prompt it, it's going to give us the optimization video title, and here we have yes. So let me just copy this. Let's see how many characters would that be. So coming back here, and let's just see Control V, and it says the cat song Whisper of Room official music video for cat lovers. Yeah, we could leave that. That is not bad at all. So yes, we have that. And the description, let's come back to the description. The description would say welcome to the official music video for yes. So let me just copy this, and yeah, let me paste this. So yes, we have this copied, and I'll come paste this in my description. So yes, we have this, and we don't have keywords. Okay, tags for YouTube. Yeah, we have the tags as well. So coming back here, it says welcome to the official music video for the Cats song Whisper of Home. This Atomy song is dedicated to all cat lovers out there who cherish their furry friends. Yes, so I'm going to say whether you're a fan of calming music or love cats, this song will make you feel right at home. The soothing melody and soft vocals whisper tales of comfort, companionship, and the unique bond we share with our beloved cats. Yeah, and we have what to expect in this video. We have beautifully crafted visuals of cats in cozy, heartwarming scenes. Yes, we have relaxing and calming music, perfect for winding down with your pets. Yes, this makes a whole lot of sense, and a tribute to the quiet comfort and joy that cats bring to our lives. Yes, and yes, I'm going to give it that. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this song made you smile. Share it with other cat lovers to spread the love. Yeah, so we have this, and we have the hashtags here, which looks good now. So I'm just going to come back here and try to auto generate the thumbnail. So wait for this to get uploaded. This is 32%, so I'll wait for it to be uploaded. Then while waiting for it, I'll just create a playlist, and the playlist will say musical video. Yes, I'll create a new playlist, and I'll name it musical video videos. Yes, so we say, or we can name it music videos. It could just be music videos, and let's add that to our playlist. We're creating playlist, so I will just say add this to your playlist, and we could give the playlist a description. Remember, we were doing something about Billard Creative Studio Strategy. And right now I would say add, I'll just add music videos for animal lovers, for animal lovers to the playlist. Yes, so we are going to say add music videos to the playlist. Add music videos to the playlist. The essence of this musical video is to tell a story. Yes, show you visuals and music. So let's see, let's add a playlist of this nature. So I'm going to prompt that on ChatGPT. Then let's see the description it's going to give me. So here we have the other playlist, and it's trying to embed the music video playlist as well. So let's wait for that. And nature secrets music video, this is where I'm coming to. So all I have to do is to copy this. I'll say experience captivating stories brought to life through stunning visuals and music, blending emotions and narrative in perfect harmony. Yes, I'll copy that, and yes, let's paste this right now. So I'm going to paste this right here. That will be my playlist, and I'll create the playlist. So this will be the playlist we'll be categorizing this video in, and I'm just going to have that done. The playlist has been created, and I'm going to click on done. Then I'm going to proceed to, yes, we have more. So yes, it is made for kids. I'll say no, it is not made for kids. So yes, let's make it that way, and let's show more. Showing more, I'm going to see more to this, more updates to this. Then I'll come to tag is very important. Just make sure you are showing more, and let me input the tags. So here I have the tags in this optimization, in this video details. Yeah, so let's see the tags. These are the tags. So all I have to do is copy the tags. I'll copy it from here to here, and I'll copy, then I'll come paste the tags right here. Then we have the tags pasted, and we have about 301 characters, and this is perfect. Then video language, I can make it English, of course. It has to be English, and let's make it English United States, of course. And audio caption, no, leave that. Then we come down here to see, yes, category people, yes, comment is on. Then I'm going to next that. I'm just going to wait for this to get uploaded. Then we go to the next element. I hope to see you. Then we go to the next element. So let's wait for this to be uploaded. So right now I'll be able to upload the video, and I'll go to the next. I'll next it, and here are video elements. Now the main reason I created something like this is to show you this. So you could add subtitle to this video, but I'll not be adding subtitles because I don't have any right now. So we can just say auto sync. Let's leave it at auto sync, and you could edit timing of the auto sync, but yes, we are not doing that. So you could type in manually, or you just leave it. So I'm just going to close that. I don't have a subtitle for this, so I'm going to just close this and say I don't have a subtitle for this. So we're going to go back to, yes, we're going to just leave it at discard changes. Yes, we have that. And your end screen is very important. So you add an end screen towards the end of your video. There's always some videos popping up when you're watching a YouTube video. That's the meaning of end screen. So I'll take it to like 2 or 5 seconds. Yes, so let's leave it as something like this, and let's bring in the end screen. So I'll add elements. I'll add video elements. Our previous video can be chosen. So I'll come to choose specific video. I'll add the documentary video. Then you could add playlist as element as well. I'll add playlist. We can add animal stories. Yes, so we can add that right now and save this right away. Then we have this as an end screen. Then your cards are things that pops up. Let me just add it and see, so you could see what I'm talking about. So you bring it to a time. You could bring it to a 1 minute time. then want to add a card when it gets to 1 minute, when this video gets to 1 minute. So you could add a playlist as card. So let's add this again, and you'll see it right here. These are cards. When you watch YouTube videos, you see something like this. These are cards. So you could add more than one card. So let me add another card in over 130 minutes. 1.30 minutes video. So we could add a video as card. So let's add video. Let's add cards family documentary as the card. Then we're going to save this. Then we are good to go. This way we've uploaded the video and no issues found. So we've added cards, we've added end screen. Now you know what that is right now. Then I'll go to checks. Checks here in the copyright, it checks out well and no issues found. So we have a complete video made with generative AI, with Canva and generative AI tools. So I'm going to nest this to visibility, and I'm going to make it public, and I'm going to set it as instant premiere. And yes, we have that set, and I'm going to publish it right away. And that way we have that published, and you can share this to your people, to people on Facebook, to Twitter. It depends on where you are and when you have heavy followers, so you can promote your videos right there. And that way you can create a whole lot of generative AI videos, generative content videos, and it's going to make a whole lot of sense on YouTube. So I'll be able to create that, and now I have two videos on my YouTube channel. So coming back to my YouTube channel, you'll see what is premiering right now. So I'm going to view this, and yeah, still there's nothing here so far. So I'm just going to come to videos, and you see my first video, the cat family documentary, fun facts about cats, and now the cat song whisper of home official music video for cat lovers. Yeah, we are good to go. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about creating content on YouTube. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.